Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Samuel Coates, Chairman and CEO of Coast Logistics Limited. Coast Logistics Limited is a custom broking and freight forwarding company. We also offer audit services. The company was started in 1999 and we're now 13 years old. Over the years, Coast Logistics have grown. But throughout the recession, all businesses have major challenges. And we navigate those challenges by strategically planning for the recession years to come because we saw it before the recession actually got here. We are not just a local company or a regional company, we are an international company. And so we know what was happening internationally in terms of the various economies that were overheating. And because we knew that, we took precautionary steps to adjust and ensure that we were able to navigate through the recession. At the beginning of the recession, Coates Logistics grew at 36%, the following year at 18%, and the following year at 18%. So we have grown in double digits throughout the recession period, and we have the data to substantiate that claim. What's the reason for this growth? What caused us to grow so exponentially throughout the period was the fact that we had proper strategic management in place, proper structure in place, forward thinking in terms of the challenges and the opportunities that were there for us. We have a sound management philosophy. We have a core set of team members who are committed to the cause of Coast Logistics Limited. They are committed to the cause of serving our clients. Because we're not just a service provider, but we add value to our clients. And our clients love the way we offer service and the personalized service that we offer. I'm a certified custom broker within Jamaica. My background is also business. So my business acumen helped me to navigate through these turbulent times. Why are some of the reasons why Coast Logistics continue to do well is because of our investment in technology. We constantly invest in technology and innovation. We constantly invest in our staff and upgrading our human capacity. And we constantly try to find effective and efficient ways to streamline our business processes so that we can be efficient and cut costs as it relates to our services that we perform or provide. Coast Logistics continue to be a trendsetter. We're a world-class contender with Jumper. We're audited by Jumper. We're also a Tier 1 broker at Jamaica Customs, and we're recently awarded ISO 9000 certification. This is a testament of our efficiency and how we operate as a local company. But we do not benchmark against local company. We benchmark against international company. Some of the challenges that I faced throughout the period, challenges are A, always challenge with new clients and existing clients going out of business, and clients with persons paying you for the services that you have offered because they too are having, the recession is having an impact on them. And also, sometimes with staffing. I mean, human resource tend to be a very difficult aspect to manage in a growing company. But I think we have overcome those hurdles and we now know how to navigate as it relates to our human resource. As it relates to our clients, we know how to work with them and ensure that they deliver. We have to support them to grow their companies so that we can all benefit in the longer term. And the final challenge would always be financial challenge. Once you're growing a company, any company that is growing require additional financial resources. And that has been one of the challenges in securing new loans to help us acquire new assets and to aid in our growth. One of the reasons I'd ask persons to vote for us, ladies and gentlemen in the public, the clients of Coast Logistics, the well wishers, vote for Coast Logistics because Coast Logistics is a progressive company, an indigenous company that was started by me in 1999. We have grown significantly. We are 13 years old. We have passed the failure rate. And this company is poised for significant growth in the country of Jamaica and within the region. Coast Logistics is poised for great things. We are we are about to launch new services. We are also investing in other companies. Throughout the recessions, we have started other companies throughout the recession. A CSC Receivables and Risk Management, that is a sister company of Coast Logistics. Tech Marketing Solutions, Graphic Solutions, and Computer Services. And we are now into the